Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about the bold tag of HTML. So, what is bold tag and why we need that? So, suppose if the requirement is that if you wanted to show any particular word with some high importance throughout the sentence, then in that case we mainly use the bold tag. Okay, so it is mainly for highlighting any particular word in the sentence. Okay, so for to demonstrate the same, I have written some text here on line number 9, that is HTML by text Sharmit. Now what we will do, we will use this text and make use of a bold tag in this. Okay, so before going to see that, firstly I will tell you how we declare the bold tag or how we create the bold tag. So for creating the tag, you have to use the opening angular bracket, then just write the B for bold, and then just after that closing angular bracket. So this is the block in which if we write anything in this block, then it will be considered as a bold text. Okay, so that's how we define the bold tag. Now we will use the same on line number 9. So here I wanted to show this Sharmit with some high importance. So for that reason I'm using the bold tag here. So what we will do, uh, for making a good impact or for making a difference, we are copying this text on line number 10, and then here I will use the bold tag. So B, then closing angular bracket. Now uh, shift this closing bold tag after the Sharmit. Yeah. So here in the first line, I am not using the bold tag, but in the second line, on line number 10, I am using the bold tag for highlighting my text Sharmit. So here I will also put the BR tag for breaking the line. Okay. Now we will save this and see the output on the browser screen. So if I refresh here, so here we can see that HTML by text Sharmit in the first line is written in a normal font, but in the second line we can easily observe that Sharmit is highlighted with some high importance, or it is slightly bold than the previous one. So that's the difference of you using between that. That's the mainly difference between the using the bold tag and not using the bold tag. Okay, so in the first line we are not using any kind of bold tag, but in the second line we have used the bold tag, and that's why it is looking slightly different from the previous one. So that is the reason we use the bold tags. And now what we will see another example, we will put bold tag before the HTML also, and now shift the closing bold tag after the HTML. Now save it again and refresh the browser. So here we can also see that the HTML in the HTML written in the previous is not highlighted, but in the next line it is highlighted because here we are using the bold tag. So that is the only difference between using the bold tag or not using the bold tag. Okay, so yeah, for this session that's all, the only thing I wanted to share with you all. So thank you for watching With. In the upcoming session we will discuss a few more texts. So yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching With.